Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Now let's unbox this watch, Timex T78587. Okay. And here it is. Okay, let's remove this plastic tie. And now let's take a closer look. It has 4 buttons. Nice. And then for the crystal, yes, it's resin glass, so not mineral glass. And then the modes are, this one is timekeeping mode, and then this one is the alarm, and then this one is, should be the stopwatch, right? Yes, right. And then back to the timekeeping mode. Okay, and it has the IndiGlue backlight, so one moment. And here's the IndiGlue backlight. Nice, but it has no afterglow effect. And here's the bracelet. Looks great. And here's how it compared to Casio A168. The size is a bit larger, and then the digit is much bigger, easier to read. Here's how it looks on my almost 7-inch wrist. It's comfortable, and also the size is okay. Also the bracelet is very comfortable, flexible. And yes, I will make a full review and also tutorials for this watch, Timex T78587. So don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.